Surprise, motherfucker.
What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, and welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. First off, I want to thank y'all for helping me hit over 500 subscribers. It's too surreal to me, man. When I started documenting my year journey, I did not envision any of this. I did not envision even hitting 500 subscribers. So to hit that milestone, man, it's pretty freaking awesome. So thank y'all for that. But this video is my year update. I know I haven't really been posting my year update the last maybe 3 months, for the simple fact that it kind of got repetitive. I was kind of repeating myself over and over in those videos, so kind of got tired of doing that. It's the same thing over and over and over in each video. So I kind of just took like a little bit of a break of doing the year update. But I always told myself I was going to keep growing this beard out regardless. So yeah, I was going to keep it for the year regardless if I was going to do YouTube videos or not. So, and I accomplished my goal. I had this beard off. I've had this beard for a full year now, and it's been an awesome experience. And I kind of want to tell y'all my thoughts on growing a year. And I'll say this, but when growing a year out or trying to grow your beard out, just try to grow the best possible beard that you can. Do not get caught up on the length and all that stuff. Do not get caught. Just try to just grow the best one you can. Try to optimize your beard growing. Your beard growing. How can I put this? Genetics, your ability to grow a beard. Optimize it. Take the supplements. Drink the water. Eat better. That's one thing that I could really honestly say about growing my beard out. That is, it's helped me a lot, in terms of trying to really take care of my body. And I can honestly say that it will help you. It will make you take better care of yourself. Now, just because you're eating better, does that mean your beard's not gonna grow? No, your beard's still gonna grow. But if you want to really optimize your chance to grow the best beard that you can, eat better, drink more water, get more sleep. Take care of yourself. So, but do you necessarily have to do those things? No. And man, I say just grow the best possible beard that you can. And I you know what? I struggled with it in the very beginning when I started growing my beard out. I was so caught up in not wanting to trim my beard. I was like, man, I'm not going to trim it. I'm not going to do anything for a full year. And I kept telling myself that for the first 5 months. I did not do anything. I did not trim my beard, period. Did not shape it up, nothing. I had hair growing up to my eyeballs, hair growing down to my damn near my damn chest hair, and all my taco meat and all that stuff. And I mean, it's just and I kind of approached it I'm not going to say wrong, but I had a kind of an approach of there's these certain rules when it comes to growing a beard. And I don't think that there's really etched in stone, these are rules that you have to go by when growing your beard out. There's no rules in stone. You just have to just grow it the best way you can. And for the longest time, I always thought that you had to do it this way. Okay, when you're growing your beard out, you have to not trim it. Or when you're, you have to do this, you have to do that. And there's no right or wrong way when growing your beard out. So for your first time beard growers, there's no right or wrong way. There's just a lot of information out here that will help you along your journey. But just remember that there's no right or wrong way when growing your beard out. And what else is there that I wanted to give my insight on? I mean, I don't know what really happens after when I grow a beard out for a year. What do? Do you shave it what they did on Beard Brand when they just completely shave their beard off? I don't see myself doing that, let alone am I going to do that. So, but I don't know what's the next for me in terms of really my whole my beard journey. I mean, I'm kind of curious in terms of biotin supplements. I consistently want to take it for a year and see honestly what really happens. Like, I mean, I've taken biotin in the past and it seems to work for me, but you know, I didn't, like I said, I did not really consistently take it for a full year because the last 3 months I've slipped off completely. And I don't know, like I kind of want to try like, you know, a beard company's like biotin, like maybe like Beard Octane or Live Bearded or Detroit Grooming. Now, I've done it in the past, like I've done it with Boss Man's beard supplement. I tried it with his stuff, but it wasn't for a long really period of time. It was maybe for 1 month. And the thing about when you're doing that stuff, like when you're taking supplements from beer companies, you constantly have to keep getting that stuff. So you probably got to put yourself in, on a subscription service, which I didn't do with Boss Man. I just took it for 1 month and then, you know, gave my results after that. But I think to see really true results of you know, taking biotin, you gotta take it maybe 3 months to a year before you can really honestly say, okay, well, this is what biotin did for my beard. And I don't know, maybe I might end up doing something like that where I start taking like doing that and documenting that, or I don't know. But in terms of, you know, the whole beard, it ain't going nowhere. I promise you that. It'll take a lot for me to get rid of it. And I think I might have mentioned it earlier in the video that I don't work at Amazon no more, so I don't have to worry about trimming my beard or doing any of that. The job right now that I work at, as long as you keep the beard nice and neat, you're good to go. So as long as you keep a neat appearance, so I should be good in that area in terms of growing my beard out for a long length. So, but that's pretty much it on my update. I mean, like, nothing's really changed. Like, other than the fact, like I said, I slipped off completely. I slipped off on doing reviews, taking supplements. I've fallen off completely, and I need to get back into like the groove of things. So, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I did have like, I wanted to do like beard commandments, but like I said before, there's no right or wrong way to grow your beard out. I mean, you just have to grow the best one you possibly can, and that's pretty much it on my update. So I'm gonna go ahead and sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean. Damn, you been off of YouTube for 3 months. Get back into the groove, man.